How to remove multi-account login on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove multi-account login on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Instagram app itself, please make sure to visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Instagram is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you'll have the latest features within the app. After that, let's just head on and open Instagram right here. And from the home page or from any other page, make sure that you're currently at the profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then I'm just going to press and hold the profile icon that we just clicked on. And that is where you can actually see all the list of accounts you have logged in within the Instagram app. So if you don't want to see all the list of accounts on your Instagram app or how to remove the multi-account login, to do that, let's just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner from the profile page and click on settings. After that, let's just scroll down a bit and you should see the log out option right here. So click on that, and what we're going to do is to actually select all the account right here and click on log out. And now what you want to do is to choose the account that you want to keep on the Instagram app, or the account that you want to keep logged in within the Instagram app. So for example, I'm gonna want to keep this account right here, so I'm going to deselect all the other accounts toggle button right here. So just make sure that the only login info that is remembered is the account that you want to keep logged in within the app. So just click on log out of all accounts once you have selected that one account you want to remain logged into, and just click on your profile icon again, and that will immediately log you into your account. And then click on the profile icon and long press. As you can see no list from here. That is how you can basically remove multi-account login on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.